could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan, back with another video, man. It is 9 o'clock at night right now. That's why y'all don't see me outside by the car. But don't worry, don't worry. And yes, I know it's been 3 weeks, but like I said, when I take time, I don't be uploading, I give y'all little shorts. I'm doing something important that's gonna benefit the channel and the car, which I have. So pretty much, I'll say maybe about, I've been home an hour before the install is complete. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. I have finally got Jba Longtube headers installed on the White Dragon 392. And let me just tell you, this baby is singing, popping, backfiring, and it's like perfect. It's way better than catless mid pipes. So, I mean, if you don't want to spend the money on headers, yes, catless mid pipes, but these Jba headers have unlocked everything, bro. Really, it's beautiful. I'm just hitting it and it just sounding beautiful. But it was about, I'd say about maybe 6 hour install. And then it didn't take too long whatsoever, same day, no engine light. So, and then it's still running pretty good, no tune. So I do plan to get a tune in the future. But so far I'm just chill, smash it here and there without a tune and enjoy it like it is. But this video may be all over the place because of course I'm gonna show the unboxing real quick. Then I'm gonna show me dropping off the car, and I'm gonna show before how the car sounded with catless mid pipes, and then I'll show how the dang car sounded after the header install. Now I'm for sure, I promise y'all, before this video is even uploaded, this is before all the clips, or maybe after the clip, but I will get y'all some flybys. I will get y'all some revs. Even if this video is all over the place, y'all will hear how aggressive and loud this car sounds by the end of this video. And yes, of course, the video may not do it justice whatsoever, but just stay tuned, stick with me, enjoy the video, and I will catch y'all later. Like I said, baby, this baby's beautiful. Finally, another performance mod. I've told y'all, cosmetically, it's pretty much done. So now it's time for performance. Like I said, you got the JLT intake, you got the long tube headers now. Next, I'm gonna do a tune, and I may even do E85, so I don't know. But stay tuned. Don't sleep on me, bro, because I got things planned, and I've been working, okay? But enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna show y'all after the, I'm gonna put this first. Y'all enjoy the little clips that I got before, just like I said, unboxing, dropping out the car, before how the car sounded before. Finish that like that, and then I'm gonna come back in, tell y'all about the price about the headers, give y'all revs, and give y'all some flybys, and end the video like that. But stay tuned, enjoy the video. I'm out of here. Thank y'all for watching.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
We will not be able to stop.
Look at these babies.
This one was hard. This one was.
Look at these babies though. Headers, mid pipes over there. Stay tuned.
Hit a cold start. You know, got the wrap on, stuff like that. Shit.
Till we meet again, buddy. Till we meet again.
boy. What's up, JJLEE squad? I hope y'all enjoyed those flybys. I did a launch. Yeah, 2 flybys and a launch. I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little portion. I told y'all I was gonna get it in. I was gonna get some good views and videos for y'all. So there y'all go. I hope y'all did enjoy that. But as y'all can see, and it blew out the mic again, bro. And he was far away. So these headers are ridiculous. But like I said, I paid about, it was $670 for the headers, $270 for the mid pipe. So I'll say maybe about $9 something for the complete total. Install was $450. Same day install, no engine light. And I got Jba Longtube headers. So pretty much the only thing I got to do now is do the Diablo PCM, get it tuned. I'm gonna get it tuned from J Green after I get the unlock PCM, so I can be set for real. So far I haven't had no problems on the headers. It's been 3 days now, and everything is moving real good, bro. It's loud. Cold starts are ridiculous. Warm starts are ridiculous, but as y'all did, I hope y'all did enjoy this video. Like I said, I promised some revs, I promised some flybys. Even did a launch control for the first time ever, so I did hope y'all enjoy that. But so far, like I said, if y'all want to grab me on some headers, I just, people saying, why didn't you get like Cooks or Corsa? And I'm just like, why get, pretty much all headers do the same thing. I guess it's just the quality or, the name brand or something like that. But why pay $2K and up for some headers, bro? And that's not even counting the install price. I'm probably paying a total of maybe $1,200 for a complete header setup and the install price together, and that's half the price of just headers. Yeah, half the price of just freaking Corsa or Cooks or stainless headers. So think smart. Come on now, don't blow a bag just because you want to. Think smart, spend your money wisely. So I went with JBA. Quick and easy, came fast. I got mine from Lethal Performance, and then I got everything from Lethal Performance. So like I said, nice header install. The White Dragon is roaring, bro. So really just stay tuned, man. More good stuff is coming. It's probably all performance wise I'm gonna do right now. So just stay tuned for more videos of me just doing extra stuff to it. But that's pretty much it, man. I hope y'all did enjoy this video. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I will catch y'all later.